Hey guys, welcome to Code Tech. In today's video, we're going to learn how we are going to write our articles. So in the previous video we have learned how we set our blog, where we change our templates, mean the themes, and how we also set some things that will help our blog to write. So the main thing about blog is trying to write something, trying to write out something. In today's video, I'm going to solve some 3 questions. In our WhatsApp group, someone was asking, how am I going to get a blog ideas? How am I going to know what to write about? And another person asks, if I get the blog ideas, how am I going to write it? In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 methods of how you're going to write your articles. But before that, I'm going to show you how you are going to get a blog idea concerning your post. Now, this video will be shared in 3 parts. One is that you are going to get the blog ideas about what you are going to write about. Two is that you are going to now do keyword research concerning what you want to write about. And 3 is that you are going to generate the article for that. So to write the article is not going to be difficult. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that, since we are using phone. So you cannot have all those time typing with phone, typing 2,000 words with phone. You can be stressful. Before a month, you will be weighed off. So I'll be teaching you a sharp method which you are going to use and do it. In which, if you look at my own blog, let me show you my blog. You can see that's the same thing I'm doing in my own. Okay, let me. Okay. Sorry for the delay, guys. Let me. Okay. I think I have to follow from. Okay. Click here and it's my own blog here. You can see, if you look at this now, you can see that this is a standard blog website. If you look at it now, it's a standard blog, and all these articles was generated from my phone. So without wasting some of your time, let's move to the first part of the video, how we can get a blog ideas. So one, before we get a blog ideas, is that you have to know your niche. So your niche is and I've told you about your niche in previous video. The niche is your category of what you're writing about. So if you're writing something like sports, so sports is general. So under sports we have something like sub niche, that is from your niche, which is this thing. So in sports we have something like golf, we have something like football, we have something like many games under it and all this. So sports. So it's something like entertainment. You can decide to start from micro niche, but I would advise you start from micro niche. Micro niche is niche, as in those sub niche, sub what niche. So under the main niche. So for now, I'm going to use my own for example. This my own destiny is about email software. So how I got this thing now, the email marketing software that I wrote about, is that if I come here now, I'll use 2 websites. If I come to this website and check, okay, this website called Answer the Public. You click on this, Answer the Public. So come here. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to type your niche. Let me assume that I'm talking about email marketing. Email marketing. It's going to show what people are searching for. So let me just look at the data here now. Okay, I think it's very small, and because it's going to, so I'm going to visualize it a bit. If you look at it very small, you see that this one is said, what is email marketing? That is what people are searching for. Why email marketing is the best? Does email marketing really work? This is what people are searching. Okay, so you can save this picture as what image, so that you can put it in your phone. So you can use this thing here and generate some blog ideas about what people are writing, what people are asking about. The one thing about blog is that your blog is for solution. You are offering solution to people, you are providing value for people. So when you are writing about what people are not searching for, that means that makes the blog useless. So what you're going to be writing about is what you provide value to people, what people are asking about. So now, since you have already gotten the questions that people are gotten asking, it is now time for us to. Before then, I'll still show you another search means, because this one is, I think this one is very small, and this. Let me show you another site. Go to this site called all these sites are free. Keyword.io. Keyword.io. I will leave all the link about what I'm going to talk about today in description. Please stay tuned. Today's video, don't be discouraged about the length. Just take your time and watch this video. So click on this keyword.io. Come here, you can see this is our free SEO tools and all these things. And let me show you something now. Okay, if I come here now and type email marketing, and click on search. Now wait, let me show you one second. Loading 230 keywords for email marketing. Now it's going to bring this thing. So it is if you like, you sign up. If you not like, so you click on no thanks. You can say I click on no thanks. So now look at what the team brought out now. 6 must have email marketing metrics, A/B testing email. These are what people are searching for. So what you're going to do now is that if you want to, now you will just look for the one you can write about. So if you click on advantages and disadvantages, let's assume that you want to write about advantages and disadvantages of email marketing software and email marketing, automated email marketing, autopilot email marketing, B2B email marketing, and benchmark email marketing. Okay, now we have already chose this, and let me just, how many did I even choose? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now all those ones I chose, I'll just come down here. So but if you want to choose all of them, you can just choose it and download it as this thing. So I'll just come here and look at the one I choose. I can just come here and highlight all of them, and copy it. So when I copy it, we are moving to this is the second stage of our tutorial. Now we are now going to check the competition concerning this, because maybe sometimes you see a bigger companies writing about this topic. As a young because your blog is very young, it's very difficult for you to outrank those blog posts. So what you're going to do is that you're going to do keyword research. That is to check the competition of this keyword, this thing you have just highlighted now, to check the one that is favorable or not. So the next two I'm going to use now to check whether if it can rank on Google if I write anything concerning. So I'll just come here, click on this, and open another this thing called H Super Tools. Don't mind, I'm going to leave all the keyword about everything I'm talking about in the description. H Super Tools. So this is H Super Tools, a free SEO tools again. So click on it, H Super Tools. Okay, let's wait for it to load. I think my service is done. Let's wait. Okay. H Super Tools. So you see I've signed in, and I'll click here now. You can see what is SEO. So click on the one that has SEO. Click on keyword research. Click on the bulk keyword data. If you're only researching one keyword, click on keyword research. But if you're researching big ones, just click on bulk keyword research data. Click on it. I will still show you an amazing thing about this too. You can also use it as, that's what we did in Answer the Public. You can also do it here. So I'll come here and paste that keyword. I pasted it. So I'll just click on change your country. Make sure that this is in global and is in English. Then click on get data. can if you see if you click on get data, you can see this one now. It said automated email marketing. Let's check how many. Just you see how I'm scrolling it. So this one is it has 1,600 searches in a month, and the competition is medium. So the CPC, I'm going to be choosing. I'm going to tell you what is CPC. This is cost per click. If people are advertising in your network and people click on this, it's going to be they're going to Google is going to advertisers are going to pay $30 for clicking on this. So now what you'll be targeting, as a young blogger is the one that has a low competition. You can see this one. There's one that has low competition. Let's check it. But that one is searched for 480 times. Let's look for the one that has a good search distance. Let's click on this. Click on it. Let's click on it and let's generate for that one. Let's copy it. Since it has this, let's look for the one related to it now and go back to keyword. Go to SEO, go to keyword research tool again. Please, this is one of the best video you're going to get about this content writing. Nobody's going to take time to do this for you. So click on search. Click on search. Because we are talking about, we want to choose the one that has a low search volume. Okay, let's talk about monthly search. Let's check paid competition and CPC. Okay, nobody's searching for this word. Nobody's searching for this one. Okay, that one has 0. And let's check related. Okay, then related word. Let's go back there, and because I want to collect one of the word, one of it and search for it. If you search for it, one of it will get a related keyword. Okay. Now, okay, just check this. This is automated email marketing. Let's check this one. This one was the one we searched before, which is 0. And this one is automated email marketing, medium. So please, let's go with the one that has low. So let's copy this one and no, I only want to copy this benchmark email marketing. Okay, I want to keep this video as short as possible. Okay, go to this keyword research tool because I want to search for only one word. Okay, now come here, post it here and click on search. When you click on search, let's go down. Okay, look at, we click on keyword here. I assume what happened. So let's remove this keyword. So it's when I copy it was keyword bench. So let's click on search again. I think we are the one wasting time again. Let's know what is going to bring us. Okay, let's see. Monthly search is 702. Medium SE difficult, that is 66. So please let's go with these ones. Let's check all these ones that has low. So see the keyword related to it, and so before you write, you have to go and check this. You can see this one, benchmark report 0, 0. This one is high. This one, so nobody's searching for this keyword. So let's choose one word now, and let's choose this benchmark now. I want to show you something, but when you're writing your own, make sure you look for the one that has low, although this one has medium, but let's use it as our keyword. So the next thing now, we are moving to the part 3 part of this video. Now, one is that we have got our keyword, our blog idea. These are what people are searching for, and these are what we'll be writing depending on your blog, because these are micro niches under email marketing. Email marketing is a broad niche. So under it now have other micro niches, which is cold emailing and etc. So now we have already gotten what you want to write about. Next thing we are going to do is for us to write. So since you have already done this, we are going to go to the, let's go and check people ranking on this word. So let's click on it. Let's click on people ranking on this. You can see this one. This one is an ad. This first one is an ad. So this one is an ad. Okay, this one is only this thing. So if you look at this thing now, you see that most people ranking on this is ad. Okay, this one is a big company. Mailchimp is a big company. So now we are going to try to, this one had 156 word. So now what we're going to do now, remember when you're writing your own, just try to look for the keyword that has competition, which is low. So first, what you're going to do now is that we're going to write about this, because this is a tutorial about this and this. So what we're going to do next is that we'll go to a site called Writersonic. I'll show you two ways which you can write article free. So come to Writersonic, click on this first one. Okay, then click I'll drop the link in the description. Please, it's an affiliate link, but it's going to help you to get a free trial on this. So start writing for free. Click on this, and let's sign in. Let me show you how you can sign into this so you can get a free trial. So now let me continue with Google, and then so click on this one. So choose your email address. I've chosen my own email address, and you know why it's still delaying. Okay, so I should verify with my phone number. Okay, I should confirm the number that is in this. Okay, give me a while, let me confirm it. Getting the number is 587168 5587168. Okay. Let's wait for a while. Now, how do you hear about us? Okay. Okay, virtually from YouTube. Wow, this is YouTube, yeah. So let's put social media and continue. What do you want to use? Okay, work, continue. Or you can choose personal, this command store, startup, or that. Just choose anyone you like, freelancing, 1 to 10. CEO, continue. Article, select all the options you want to article, select all, because you may be using this as a free lancing app. You can use it to create content for people and all these things. So come here and click on new projects. Okay, skip the top. So click on new projects and then name your project blog. Click on. Okay, your new project has been created. So come here and you can see now you have getting 10 credits for it to sort of this. So let's wait for this thing to load. Click on new again. Okay, I think this one is still loading. Let's wait for it to load. now it has loaded. Okay, you see the first one, AI writer to best quality writer. So please keep this. And see long form writing assistant, content rephraser. So you can carry content and come here and you can rephrase it there and changing it, and so that you will not have something called plagiarism. Plagiarism is something that existed online and you are writing it back. So when you copy people's posts and you didn't do something, you didn't change it, Google is going to check it as plagiarism and say that your content are not unique. So that because we're going to be using this post to apply for Google AdSense, which will be paying us for writing article. So you can see this is our AI article outlines. So if you go down, but these things are not what we are looking for. So what we want to use is this first one, which is what AI quality listing. So we're going to take this and we want to write our topic. Remember our topic. Then this is going to create a friendly SEO friendly listing for you. So it's going to do this thing in 4 steps. So just listen and just watch. Make sure you don't click off. Click on generate ideas. Okay. Now 10 groundbreaking ways to boost your email marketing. I'm using it has started showing you a stunning topics that can rank on Google. Why should you set benchmark for your Google for your email marketing campaign? How to benchmark your email marketing performance? The ultimate marketing benchmark email marketing guide. I think I'll choose this one. So you click on generate intros. Generate intros. You can see the internet is full of companies that are, so these are intros, so you can choose anyone. So let me choose this one so that I will not make this tutorial big. So take time and read and know the best one. So you can see that this intro now is already 898 words. You don't understand? 898, and we're targeting something like 1000 words. 1000. So you must make your article to be 1000 or 2000 depending. But the more longer you write, the more Google is going to crawl your site and make it so. Okay, this is going to be the sessions. Session 1, the importance of email marketing, understanding the 3 types of email marketing. Or through this thing. Okay, this is how the first session. So you can go to something like that, answer the public and get some questions that is being asked and come here and change some of this. But this time around, I want to make this video short. So let me choose this one, autoresponder, and then click on write an article. Okay, I think my credit has finished. Write an article, click. Oh gosh, my credit has finished. So they give 10 credits. I think last time I used this credit to write an article on this. So what I'm going to still show you, since we already have this article intro, so please, if you have money, you can purchase this. You see how easy it is, and how easy it is going to be for you to generate article through this. It's very easy. So please, if you have money, you can just go in for this. So I still have another one like this, which can generate article for you very fast, which is called AnyWorld. But one thing about AnyWorld is that it doesn't work in phone. You can create accounts with phone, but you can't use phone. As this one can work more than the other one. This is AnyWorld. I will drop all the link in the description, and so this one is also good. So now another way you can write an article. Let's assume that maybe you didn't have money for this to pay, but AnyWorld is going to give you 7 days free trial, so you can generate a limited article within those 7 days. So another way you can generate article is that, let's assume that you want to generate an article, and what you're going to do is that you're going to click here. This is what I'm writing about, benchmark. So I'll just say benchmark in Spain. in Spain, Spanish, let me just say, or any other language. So I want to change. What we want to do is that we want to change this the language. Google Translator. Let's use Google Translator, because what happened is that um some of these article blog that are written in Spanish or other languages are not available in English. So when you get the blog post from other languages, you can copy some of the blogs exactly how it is and change it to English. So I've changed this into Spanish. Let me check this thing and know. You can see this first site now. This is first site that will get this, and see this one now. So this is a big company. Let's check the second site. I'll be showing you something now. So this is the one I want to copy now. You can see this is, so we can copy this. So for us to check whether this thing, so another person has copied this, what we're going to do is that after copying it, we go to one site that is going to help us to check the plagiarism. I told you what is plagiarism, and now make sure that this article is 100% unique. We'll copy it and go to this site called okay, before you copy, just come here, type Google Translate also. Google Translate. Okay, now copy the English. Sorry that this video is taking long, please. I'm just trying to take my time so that you're going to understand this one very well. So come to this site called, okay, let's use Grammarly. So what we're going to use Grammarly is that this is Google own website, and Google is the one checking plagiarism. So when you check using Grammarly and there is no plagiarism, that means there is no plagiarism for sure, because Google is the one that owns the site. So now let's scan for plagiarism now. Okay. So I have to have accounts, and let me sign in with my account now. Let me sign in with my account first. Okay, let me use my email. Give it a while. Sorry this video is long, but make sure you take your time to watch this. Okay, now okay, let me click view results. So now you can see, now it says no plagiarism found, grammar is correct, spelling is correct, readability correct. So you can go and copy these things, copy it one after the other. So now another thing now is, like, if we come to our blog now, let's assume that we have gotten a long this thing. So yeah, you see the two ways I taught how to write a content. Now another thing to keep in mind when you are writing a content is that you have to make it to be long. Let's assume that you go to the first one ranking on Google, and that one has maybe if you use this thing and you counted it, it was 1,000 words. Make sure you write 1,005 so Google can rank it, and make sure you use answer the public so you can know the question people are answering about. Make sure you do your keyword research before writing, so that you will not write things that people are not searching for. Okay guys, when you're writing, make sure you put pictures like this, and if you don't know how to put pictures, check my first video to be in the description about how to start your blog. So please guys, I really appreciate you staying to this period. I'm supposed to have extended this video to telling how you can edit the that's how to edit your team, but I think I'm going to leave that for the next video. So guys, I want you to generate close to like 10 or 15 blocks, so that in my next video I'm going to show you how you can index it on Google, how you can make your blog visible to Google. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.